Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now I gotta send happy birthday greetings to Ishawna. Today is Ishawna's birthday. Now I'm find out late people, so I'm just run go post it in the community section. So if you want to send her some birthday wishes, run over there and leave her a happy birthday comment. Or you can do it here too under this video. And I mean, I would encourage y'all to send her some happy birthday wishes, right? So it looked like she got a little gift, and nothing big, just one teddy bear, but it's quite unique. You see what I say? It looked like a bunch of roses, and she just captioned it and say, I just want to say thanks to everyone for all the birthday wishes. So far, I felt the love. I'm so overwhelmed with gratitude, and I am feeling so blessed. Thanks at Luxury Roses JA for my gift. This beautiful rose teddy bear made my day. So we see she enjoy our new rose teddy bear. I never seen nothing like that, you know what I mean? Pretty unique. So it look like me I forgot to check out Luxury Roses JA and see what them are going with over there. You see me? But people, she says she are going to have further celebration. So now she have this thing named Want It Wednesday, and it'll start October 7th, right? So I think it's a virtual thing. I don't quite understand 100% how she gonna do it, so we don't need to do some further check up on that if you're interested in it. But I'm gonna tell you now where she captioned this. This one she captioned it and say, come celebrate my birthday with me at new sexy virtual house party series Want It Wednesday, which kicks off on October 7th as a part of my birthday celebrations. Let's turn it the F up. Log on to www.wantitwednesday.com to order tickets. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. At Want It Wednesday. So she have a whole page you can go check out at Want It Wednesday. So big up Ishawna. Happy birthday again. Alright, so let's move on, people. Let's talk about Koffee. So Koffee been doing great things, and she does continue to do it more and more. We just did a video and I talk about she being the new ambassador for MasterCard throughout the Caribbean, right? So now she have another thing. She just achieved another goal. Now, to the man that will play FIFA, I go like this. And I mean, I don't know if the ladies them play FIFA, but FIFA, and we are talking about video games here, people. You see me? FIFA video game 21, it will come out, so I know say 2021, right? And Koffee and Governor dep on it. So, actually said this song here on this post where Koffee make on our story, but I would imagine that it's Rapture remix because of Koffee and Governor. Now, I don't know if Koffee and Governor do other song, but I know that, right? Everybody know Rapture remix with Koffee and Governor. That's a big song. So that will be on the FIFA soundtrack for 2021, right? And also, there's a Russian song on there, but I don't know it's a Russian thing international. So, yeah, I must just produce a song for somebody. You see me? But I produce it, so a theme song. So, big up Russian, big up Koffee, and big up Governor. You see me? I say it's a good look for a eye. Right now, people, more want to talk about another internet sensation. So this little youth time named Donte, not for you probably see him already because him go viral from him smaller, and then when time he get a little bit older, and then now again we see him on the internet. You see me, I say, but out there do great things, right? And him have the biggest personality we've seen at the longest while, right? So we're going to take a look at this little clip where he makes Sunday gone. Take a look at this. Here goes.
Alright, right now guys, I'm just relaxing on a Sunday day. Sunday must relax and stay home and quarantine. I know all my people out there quarantine right now. I got the girls in the hot tub right now, relax.
Jano, big up yourself, youth. You see me, I say, people, this somebody are full of vibes. This somebody does different. You see me? It's like a whole soul in a little youth. You see me? But anyway, let's talk about the great things that we might do because, Jamaica YouTube TV did a video about him and showing him actually depending farm, right? So he might do some farming and him have some pineapple and some banana and all kind of thing, pumpkin and everything. I could put the link to JY video so you can check it out. Because I cover the farm part. I just talk about him and the personality, you know what I mean? And Auntie Dana help him out with the farm too, you know what I mean? And she help get him the pineapple them and them thing there where they say him post him get the pineapple them and them thing there. So After I post that video, you know what I mean, in the night time now, I'm not sure if I mom this or as somebody else, but it's an adult, a female. I ask him, say, where him going with on the internet make the whole place a burn up so? You see me I say, because when him post this video, you know, a viral, you know. So let's hear what him say. Him explain himself and I tell her what go on. So let's take a look at those videos. Here goes.
Sir, come here. Where do today make do my idea burn down? So where do? Why your face look like that?
Phone.
What did you do? What happened to your phone? What did you do today? That day at work, I'm gonna put something message out. What you do today? Tell me.
My friend tell me say make something make go wild right. And then now I post one look video. See this girl no stop talking on my phone and talk about she want me that. She want me to talk to her daughter. Talk to her daughter.
Talk to your daughter.
The woman start cuss my daughter for me. So stop the video and not stop.
What you do?
Well, my friend say I must make something that go on pink wall. And just because I have some friends over and my cousins over, I make it look like you're not my cousin, you're my girlfriends. So I make it look like you're my girlfriends. So I just make a video and then no, it's on pink wall. Well,
Technically, a bit.
what a win.
Don't think I didn't message out.
See there again. And guys, if you see this lady, maybe you're related and you're watching this video right now. I'm sorry about this. If you see this lady and I know you're watching this video, I won't talk to your daughter. I don't want your daughter.
Yeah, man, me I tell no lie. Donte, you're going to make it, youth. I don't know exactly what you're going to do and how you're going to fit in a society. But with a personality like that, we know say you're into great things. You see what I say? And him sound very educated and intelligent at him young little age. You see what I say? Well spoken. And like me I say, a long time me I see him on the internet from him and Marlon Samuels. And then, you know, we see him by himself. And then now I'm Mama Dana we see. So, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, Donte. Alright, so people, the next thing I want to show them, I find a video. I don't know exactly who these young ladies are. If you don't know, put in the comment section. But what I can tell you though, that tune where she has sing bad. You see me? And her friend, I hype her up wicked with it. So let's take a look at this video. Here goes.
I love thee, I love thee, I love thee. Give me some D, put that D in my P, baby. I wanna feel the heat. I love thee, I love thee. Give me that D, I'm on the high me. I need D in my P. Do you like D? Do you like D? Oh, baby, let me fuck you all night, you know. Let me give you good vibes, you know. Me, I want you, make you feel fine. Give you good loving every night. Oh, you know. Bad girl like me, say you know. Say me, I like big things, I want you know this. Bad girl like me, feel the heat when you drop it down low. Bad girl morning. Yes, me, I like the heat and the breeze that comes with the D. Anytime you put it in heat now. Yes, me, I like the vibes that it gives and the B that it...
And I sound like she have an African accent, people. So if you don't agree with me, put in the comment section. Or if not even know says a different accent, wanna tell me to also. So that brings us to the end of today's video, people. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for keep on liking, sharing, and commenting, right? And when you subscribe, please turn on the bell icon for daily updates. So have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thank you for watching.
We got Diamond in my AP, Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk, should know, Tento Blacks, Yadi.